In this video, we're going to go over all the 10 types of factoring we're going to be dealing with in Algebra 2. So the first type is the easy trinomials. They are very easy because it's not a lot of work to do. Here's an example here. I have x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay, so to go about this, you just make all the factors of negative 10 that will equal to, when you add them, will be equal to negative 3. All right, so let's make a list. 1 and 10 and 2 and 5. I need to have a negative 3, so I need to put a negative on the 5 and a positive on the 2. So these are the two factors. Now, if the coefficient is 1, like there's nothing here, see, there's nothing in the front of the x squared. If it's 1, like it's 1 really, so let's put a 1 there. If it's like that, without this is just 1, what we can do is just use this. We just use this information. 1 second. We just use this information that we got over here to set up the factors. It's easy. So we just pull this number here and say x plus 2 and then x minus 5. That's just the factor. We're done. We can check it though. That is correct. So let's try to check it. But we don't need to, but we can just check it just to be sure. Okay, so we have x plus 2, x minus 5. So it will be x squared plus 2x minus 5x and then 10x and 10 rather, so negative 10. This will be negative 3x, so we have the x squared and the negative 10, and then this will be negative 3x, which works. So that's it, we're done with that. Here's another example right here. Example 2. We have x squared plus x minus 42. We're going to set up the factors of negative 42. Okay, so we do 1 and 42, 2 and 21. We know we're looking for 1. Okay, we're looking for 1 because the coefficient of plus x is 1. This will not give me any 1 no matter how I change the sign, so I need to keep on going. 6 and 7. So if I need plus 1, I need to make this 6 a negative 6. So the factor for this is basically x minus 6 and x plus 7. So that's basically what you do whenever you have factors that are, polynomials are easy with easy trinomial. We just do one more and then we're done. So this is example 3 is x squared plus 3x minus 18. Okay, so what you do is to break down the 18, negative 18, and then you're going to have, you know what, I want to change this to another one that has a plus, so it'll be easier to just have variety. Okay, so let's use one that has a plus, like x squared minus 10x plus 21. Okay. So I need to break down 21. I need to break it down to get negative 10 when I add them. So let's 1 and 21 with the first factor. 3 and 7 will give me 10, but I want negative 10. So I need to put a negative on the 3 and a negative on the 7. So the factors will be x minus 3 and x minus 7. Done. So that's how you factor easy trinomials. Okay.